Hi students, இப்போ நம்ம exercise 1.2ல third sum find the HCF அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they have given 6 sums they have given. So few sums they will solve it. I will explain to you. Remaining one you do it as your homework. Now first one they have given 18, 24, two numbers. So I have written solution number question I have written 18. We know that L division, Dana division method you know. So 18 means 2. Or how to find out whether it is divisible by 2. Always pay attention to the ones place. It is an even number. So sure and certain it will be divided by 2. So 9 2s are 18. Here 9 is there. That means it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1 is 3 we have written. Now next 24 I have written. See here also even number. So 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 12 we have got it. Again 2 I am doing it. 6 2s are 12. Again 6 is there. 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1 is 3. So this is the this way we have done the prime factorization method. Okay. So any number if when they ask us to find out HCF, at present you learn which method. They will give us the question like this. Use the prime factorization method or division method. They have asked us to find out using the prime factorization method. So we have followed this method. Now how to write and find out the HCF, I will explain to you. Please pay attention. See 18 we have got the number. Prime factorization of 18 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 we have got. Sorry 2 into 3 into 3 we have got. Next prime factorization of 24 we have got 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now HCF of HCF of which number? 18 and 24. HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to. Now common one you see highest common factors. Rendle edu poduva 2 is there, so 2. Next 3 is there, so we have taken 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is the right answer. Second sum is 51, 85. So solution we have written 51. So 51 means when we add these two numbers 6 we get it. That is the multiple of 3 we know. That means the third table. So 1 3 is 3 and the remaining is 2 21. 7 3 are 21. Now we have 17. 17 is the prime number. It can be divisible by 1. So 17 1 is here 17. Now 85. See here in one's place 0 or 5 is there means that will be divisible by 5. That is the rule we have learned. Now 5. So 1 5 is 5. Then 3 is remaining. That means 35. 7 5 are 35. We got it again 17 prime number. So 7 1 is 7. So we have written. Now prime factorization of 51 is equal to 3 into 17. Next prime factorization of 85 is equal to 5 into 17. When we see HCF of this 51 and 85, we have to look at highest common factors. Now which is the highest common factors? Only 17. So answer is 17. Third sum they have given 61 and 76. Solution I have written 61 and 76 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers na last class la பார்த்தோம். ஒன்று மட்டும் காமனாக இருக்கும் ரெண்டுக்கும் அஸ் எ ஃபேக்டராக, மற்றது எல்லாமே டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அதனால் கோ ப்ரைம் நம்பர்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ இதில் கோ ப்ரைம் நம்பர்ஸில் பார்த்தோம்னா அதில் ஹெச்சிசிஎஃப் எதாக தான் இருக்கும், ஒன்றா தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ 1 இஸ் த ஆன்சர். ஃபோர்த் சம் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 84 120. ஸோ சொல்யூஷன் we are writing 84. One's place even number is there, so 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. So now again 21 is there, 2 plus 1 when we add 3. So it can be divisible by 3, third number. So 3 7s are 21. Again 7 1 is 7. Same way 120 when we take it also 2, we get 60 here. 6 2s are 12, 0 is brought it down. Then again 2, that means 30. 3 2s are 6 and 0. Now third table I have taken. So 10 3s are 30. Again 2 5. Again 5 1. So now we are going to write prime factorization of 84 na 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Here 120 prime factorization of 120 na 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. இது ரெண்டுல எது காமனா இருக்கு அப்படினா எத்தனை காமனா இருக்கும்? இந்த ரெண்டு 2 இந்த ரெண்டு 2 காமனா இருக்கும். இந்த ஒரு 3 இங்க உள்ள ஒரு 3 காமனா இருக்கும். Then when we multiply 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. See here, as I have explained to you, 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now 122 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So common factors when we take it, 2 2's are common, 1 3. So we are taking it as a one number. Then 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 is the right answer. Fifth sum, 3 numbers கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 27, 45, 81. So solution we are finding out. 27 means 3. Table it can be divided. So 9 3s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1 is 3. Now 45. That means 4 plus 5 when we add it we get 9. 9 is the multiple of 3. So 3. 15 3s are 45. Again 3 5s are 15. Again 5 1 is 5. Now next 81. 81 also 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So 3. 27 3 is 81. Again 27 they are given C here. So 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. Now we are writing in prime factorization of 27 is equal to. Here 3 numbers are there. 3 into 3 into 3. Now next prime factorization of 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Now next prime factorization of 81 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 3. Now when we are finding out highest common factors, see here in 3 also we have to find out the common. So 3 times 3 is common, one more time 3 is common. Other numbers are different. So we are taking it which is common in 3 numbers also. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the answer. நம்ம next என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா find the LCM. 6 sums they have given. I have solved for you 4 and 2 for you homework. Now first sum you see 6, 9. Solution 6, 9. 6 we are prime factorization method only they are asked. So 6 can be divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then same way 9 you see here. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1 is 3. Then prime factorization of 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and again prime factorization of 9 is equal to 3 into 3. That means here common factor is which one? 3 is there. Common multiple is 3 is common. We have to write it 3. Again you see 2 and 3 both are extra. That also we have to write and we get the answer 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 is the answer. Second sum 8, 12. So 8 we are doing the prime factorization method. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 1 is 2. Same way 12. 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 1 is 3. We have written prime factorization of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are there. Prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That means common multiples here is 2. 2 2s are there. That we are writing. Then again we have 2 into 3. When we multiply we get 24 is the answer. Third sum you see 10, 15. So 10. Already ones place we have to see if 0 or 5 is there means it is divisible by 5 we have learned. But here 2 also can be because in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6 even numbers everything. This can be divided by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Then 5 1 is 5. Here 15 is there. So we are taking it fifth table. That means 5 3s are 15. 3 1 is 3. Now prime factorization of 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Again prime factorization of 15 is equal to 5 into 3. For LCM of 10 into 15 when we take it, 5 is common from both the numbers and again we have 2 into 3. So when we multiply 30 is the answer. I have taken fifth sum. Fourth and sixth sum is homework for you. 30, 40, 60. So solution I have written 30. 0 is there in ones place, so it can be divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. Again 2 3s are 6, 3 1 is 3. Same way 40 when we take it, 8 5s are 40. Then 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 1 is 2. Now 60 when we take it, again 12 5s are 60. So 6 2s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 1 is 3. Now prime factorization of 30 when we take it, see here 5, 2 and 3. Now next 40 when we take it, 5, 2, 2 and 2. Again prime factorization of 60 when we take it, 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we can see here we can find out common numbers in 3. Factorization 5 is common and 2 is common. Another two numbers 40 and 60 we find 2 is common. Same way 30 and 60 we find 3 is common. So common numbers we take only once. See here 5 into 2, that is in 3 numbers also common for us, so I have put it in a bracket. Again into 2 is common here, so I have taken only once. Again 3 is common in both the numbers, once I have taken, and the remaining is 2. So when we multiply 5 into 2 is 10, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60, 60 into 2s are 120 is the answer. Sixth sum is homework for you. Fifth sum, find the HCF and LCM of 154, 198 and 286. First we are going to find out solution HCF, highest common factors. Now we see division method we are following. 154, 198, 286 when we take it. See all in one place we have even number. So 2 table we are using. That means 77 2s are 154 and 99 2s are 198 and 143 2s are 286. Now look at the number. This number 77, 99, 143. This can be divisible by 11. So we have to look 11 is alternative number. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Here also 0 it becomes. Alternative means 1 plus 3 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 or 11 comes means it is divisible by 11 when we add alternative number and subtract from it. Now you see 7 11s are 77, 9 11s are 99 and 13 11s are 143. So HCF when we take it only we have 2 and 11. So HCF of 154, 198, 286 equal to 2 into 11, that is 22 is the answer. We are supposed to find out LCM also. So LCM, see here, LCM equal to, so 2 we are using, then again we get same number only 11. Then we get the number here 7, see here 7, 9, 13. We are going to find out LCM, not HCF now. Now third table we are using, 7 we are keeping it as it is. 3 3s are 9 and 13 is as it is. Again third table 7 we are keeping it as it is, 3 1, then 13 is here. Again seventh table we are taking it and 1 7 is 7, 1 is here, 13 is here. Again 13th table, so 1 1 1 we get answer. So LCM when we write it 2 into 11, 11 into 3, 3 into 7 and 7 into 13. When we multiply this whole, see here 2 into 11, 11 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 7, 13. We get the answer 18,018 is the answer. Sixth sum, they have given the volume of milk in 3 cans, 80 liter, 100 liter, 120 liter. And they told us to find out greatest possible volume of vessel like that. So greatest nale namalukku enna theriyum, highest common factor HCF da. But we are going to find out HCF of 80, 100, 120. Then 0 is there in one's place, that means fifth table. So 16 5s are 80, 25s are 100, 24 5s are 120. Again 2 table we are using, 8 2s are 16, 10 2s are 20 and 12 2s are 24. See here. Then again 2, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, and 6 2s are 12. Since it is a greatest value, we are going to find out HCF. So we are stopping it here because these three numbers are not, we cannot find out with the same number. So different, because 4 and 6 may be divided by 2, but whereas 5 is the prime number here. So we are stopping it here. Then HCF, what are the numbers we get here? 5, 2 and 2. So when we are multiplying, we get the 20 is the answer. So we write it, greatest possible volume of vessel is 20 liter. This is the answer. Seventh sum என்ன கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்கன்னா, traffic light வந்து changes simultaneously. அதாவது 40 செகண்டில், 60 செகண்டில், 72 செகண்டில் in different junctionsல. இப்போ என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்கன்னா, அப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டைம் சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி ஒரே நேரத்தில் இந்த டிராஃபிக் லைட் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ மினிட் எடுக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி சேஞ்சஸ் ஆஃப் டைம் அப்படின்னால என்ன, எல்சிஎம் இதான் சரிங்களா, ஒரே நேரத்தில் சேஞ்ச் ஆகணும். எல்சிஎம் ஆஃப் 40, 60, 72. இப்போ எல்சிஎம் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். 40, 60, 72 2 டேபிளில், அப்போ 20, 30, 36. நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 2ஆல் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா 10, 15, 18. Next 2ஆல் பார்த்தா 5, 15, 9. Then again 5 we are doing it. That means 1 5 is 5 and 3 5s are 15 and 9 as it is we are bringing it because it is LCM. Then 3 again, 1 as it is, then 1 3. Then 3 3s are 9, again 3 1 1 1. So when we are multiplying it, see here we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. That means 360 is the answer. They have given in a second. So what we will do? 1 second is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour we know. So we have to find out minutes. Seconds we have got it, isn't it? So 60 into 360 is the answer. When we are dividing, we are getting 6 minutes is the answer. So last we are writing 3 traffic light will change again after 360 seconds. That means 66 minutes at 6.6 a.m. So simultaneously means 8 o'clock they have changed the traffic light. That means 8 6 la again traffic light will change in 3 different junction la at the same time. We are seeing the 8th sum. The LCM of two number is 210 and their HCF is 214. How many such pairs are possible? So let us see how. Solution, LCM they have given 210 and HCF they have given 14. Now we are taking it, let the number be 14x and 14y. Product of two numbers. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு நம்பருங்கிறது வந்து என்னென்னு தெரியும், 14x and 14y நம்ம எடுத்துருக்குறோம். ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் டூ நம்பர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா அது என்னது ஆன்சர் அப்படின்னா LCM இன்ட்டு HCF தான். அப்போ இங்கே இந்த டூ நம்பர்ஸ் என்னென்னு எடுத்துருக்குறோம், 14x இன்ட்டு 14yன்னு எடுத்துருக்குறோமா, எழுதியாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்களேன், LCM நம்மளுக்கு என்னது 210, HCF என்னது 14. Now xy we are keeping it this side and here the number is having the multiplication, that means multiple int it is having. When equal to, after that when it goes the number that comes in the division form. Already we have 210 into 14 by 14 into 14. So 114 114 cancelled. See here, this 14 and this 14 I have cancelled and we have 14 here. 2 7s are 14 and 3 7s are 21, 30. That is equal to 30 by 2. This can be simplified into 15. So our answer is 15. Now we have one product is 15. So in which are the way we can get the factors we can find out. Okay. Now you see x when we take it as 1 and y when we take it 15, then 115 is 15 we are getting. Another way 3 into 5 also, 3 15 is also 15. So two ways we can get. So we are giving the, taking it as a x3 and y5 or we can change also. Now already we have the number 14x and 14y. Instead of x we are substituting this one. So 14 into 1, 14 we are writing. Here 14 into y is 15. So 14 into y we get 210. When you multiply this both we get 210. So one number we got it. Second you see here x equal to 3, y equal to 5. Same way we are substituting 14 into, instead of x, 3, then 14 into 5. When we multiply 14 3s are 42 is the answer. And when you multiply 14 into 5, 70 is the answer. That means another number also we are getting it. There are, the possible pairs are 14, 2 and 10. Another number is 42, 70 is the answer. Ninth sum, you see, the LCM of two number is 6 times their HCF. If the HCF is 12 and one of the number is 36, then find the other number. இன்னொரு வாசிக்கிறேன். The LCM of two number is 6 times their HCF. ரெண்டு நம்பருடைய HCF வந்து 6 times தான். If the HCF 12 கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க and the one number is 36, and then find out the another number. So let us see. Solution we are writing one number 36, they have given HCF வந்து 12, LCM என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க 6 time HCF. அப்போ நம்ம வந்து 6 time 12 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும்? 72 is the answer. Now product of two numbers அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ப்ரீவியஸாக நம்ம எப்படி பார்த்தோமோ அது போல் LCM into HCF. நம்மளுக்கு ப்ராடக்டில் ஒரு நம்பருக்குள்ளே 36 நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும், கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க புக்கிலே. அதர் நம்பர் we don't know. So we are writing it, that is equal to LCM எவ்வளவு நம்மளுக்கு 72, HCF எவ்வளவு 12. So other number we are keeping it, or we can take it as a or x, anything. So equal to this 36, when it comes this side it comes in division method form, so it comes down. So 1 12 is 12 and 3 12s are 36. Again with 1 3 is 3, here 24 3s are 72. So our answer is 22. Therefore the other number is 24 is the answer. Next objective type question நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question, which of the following pair is co-prime? Co-prime னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ரெண்டு நம்பர்லையும் ஒன்று காமனாக இருந்தால் அது co-prime. சரிங்களா, ஒன்று மட்டும் இருக்கணும். இப்போ 51 63 பார்ப்போமே. ஃபஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் 51 63 கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்களா? அப்போ 51 பார்க்கும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 3ஆல் போடலாமா? 1 3 is 3, then 7 3s are 21. ஸோ 3 17 கிடைக்குது. இங்கே 63 போட்டு பார்ப்போமே. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன? 3ஆல் போட்டோம்னா 2 1 21 கிடைக்குது. again 3 7. ஸோ there is into 1 as a co-prime. இங்கே 1 is not there, so this will not be. A option is wrong. Second B option என்ன கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்கன்னா 52 91 கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. அப்போ 52 நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 2ஆல் போட்டு பார்க்கலாமா? 2 4s and 6 வரும். ஸோ இட் கோஸ் 1 3 13ஓட முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. 91 அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா 3ஆல் 7ஆல் பார்ப்போம். ஸோ 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are. So here also B option also it is not right. Now C option what they have given is 71 and 81. So 71 when we take it only 71 ones are 71. 81 when we take it also same way. when we take it 3 we can 2 3s are 6, 21 7 3s are 21. Again what we have? 3 9 3 3, again 3 1. So when we compare here 1 is here, here 1 is here. That means co-prime. So C answer is the co-prime here. C answer is co-prime. Next, in the greatest 4 digits number which is exactly divisible by 8 9 12 is. See here it should be 8ஆல் 9ஆல் 12ஆல். So here already ones place there is no even number, so there may not be divisible by 8. Now here you see next 11th sum, this number should be divisible by 3 numbers they have given. What is that? See here 8, here you see 8 9 and 12. So now 8, what is the divisibility rule? Last 3 digits number if it is divisible by 8 means if we get remainder 0 then it is divisible by 8. So let us consider last 3 digits means 999. So we are dividing with 8. Okay, 1 8 is 8. Then balance is 1. Then bring it 9 also. So 2 8s are 16. Then again 3 here. Then 9. Then 39 is here. 32 is here. Then again remainder is 7 is there. That means A option is not there. But this is wrong. This will not be. The next one is 9996. So 996 when we try, same way 8, 1, then 19, again 2 we get, then 16, then again 3, then 6, again 4, then that means 32, balance is 4 is there. That means second number also not the right answer. Now third one also you see 696, let us try. This also 8th table, then 69. So 8 8s are 64. Then 5 6 is there. That means 7 8s are 56. That means third answer 9696. But okay, this is the eighth table. Okay. Now next table is what they asked, ninth one. Ninth one means we have to add it this 3. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. 15 plus 9 how much? 24. 24 plus 6 how much? 30. So 3 plus 0. So it will not be ninth table because it is multiple of 3 it is. So this also will not be. Now next 936, let us see. 936. Eighth table. 1, 1, 3. Again 1. So 5 balance here. 6 we are bringing it. So 7 8s are 56 is the answer. So 0. So it is divisible by 8th table. 9th table when we see, we can add it. 18 plus 3 is 21 plus 6 is 27. So 27, that is equal to 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So it is divisible by 9. 12 means it will be divisible by 3 and 4. So we can check 3 also. Here we are getting 9. 9 means multiple of 3. So this will be divided by 3. Now fourth table how we can find out is last 2 digits number, whether it is divisible by last 2 digits number means 36 thane. But divisible by 4 na it is divisible. So 4 nu eduthukitamna 9 4s are 36. So this number, last number 9936 is the divisible by 3 numbers. That is 8, 9 and 12. So D is the right answer. 12th sum you see, the HCF of two number is 2 and their LCM is 154. If the difference between the number is 8, then the sum is, they asked. So already I have solved and kept. Let the two numbers, எப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறோம் 2x and 2y எடுத்துக்கிறோம். The product of two number is equal to LCM into HCF. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு HCF 2 தெரியும், LCM வந்து 154 தெரியும். Product of two numbers-ங்கிறது 2x into 2y, ஏன்னா அதை தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். நான் xy அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு இந்த 2 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வரோம். ஸோ 2 into 154, 2 cancelled, then 2 77. இப்போ xy equal to 77. இந்த 77 எப்படி நம்ம we can divide or separate. How we can get the product of 77 when we see x equal to 11 and y equal to 7. So 11 7s are 77. இப்போ x இருக்கிற வேல்யூவில் இடத்துல என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோன்னா 11 போட்டிருக்கணும். ஆல்ரெடி we have 2x we have now. இப்போ 2 xக்கு பதிலாக என்ன பண்ணுறோம் 11 22. again 2y yக்கு பதிலாக என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம் 7, that is 14. அவங்க டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அப்போ மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம். டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் கேட்டதுனால மைனஸ் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் 8 கிடைக்கும். லாஸ்ட்டில் நமக்கு கேட்டிருக்க கேள்வி என்ன அப்படின்னா தென் த சம் இஸ் அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 22 + 14 is equal to 36. இப்போ நம்மளுடைய ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும் 36 is the answer B option. Last sum we are going to see. Which of the following cannot be HCF of two numbers whose LCM is 120? They have given. Which cannot be HCF. So here we have just solved and get LCM என்ன கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க 120. LCM by HCF நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கணும்? ரிமைண்டர் 0 கிடைச்சா அது வந்து HCFாக இருக்கும். இல்லை அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு ரிமைண்டர் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அது வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? நம்மளுக்கு அது வந்து HCFாக இருக்காது. இப்போ 120 அவங்க கொடுத்துருக்க LCM, இங்கே HCF 60 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு 0, அப்போ 166 2 6 are 12, so 2 remainder 0. So 140 also 0 here cancel, then 3. When we cancel here 3 we get, so 3 is the answer, remainder is 0. 102 when we 0 0 cancel, so 1 8 and here 1 8. Balance remainder is 4 it comes, it cannot be 0. So remainder is here 4. Now last sum 120 by 30 also when we check it 0 0 cancel, 1 3 4. So 4 remainder is 0. So our answer is C answer. Our answer is C. See last one 80 is the answer. So you have to circulate this 18. It is the correct answer. Thank you students. This objective type question if you want to try, you can write and keep it in your notebook. Otherwise you can do it in the textbook only. Thank you.